Hi, in this video, we're gonna continue building our custom WordPress theme with this awesome HTML template. Last time, we created the basic files to have a WordPress theme. I mean, the style.css and the index.php. Now, we're gonna copy all the files in this HTML template folder and put all of them in our custom WordPress theme folder. Now we're gonna head to our localhost folders, click on the icon, click on the 3W directory, and we're gonna search for Marshmallow. Marshmallow is our HTML template. We're gonna copy all the files in it back, and we're gonna search for this folder, HTML to WordPress. This is our custom WordPress theme that we are building. 3W content, open it, themes. This here you have all the themes installed in the site, and our custom theme is this folder, HTML to WP. Open it, and we have to create to stay organized, create a folder. I'm gonna name it assets. Okay, and paste all the files in it. So after that, we're gonna open our code editor to continue the process. As you can see on the left side, this is the themes folder. So here you have all the themes installed in the WordPress site. Here, HTML to WP, this is our custom WordPress theme. You can expand it to see. And here, this is assets. This is the folder that we have just created. So you can expand it. And all of these content, this is our HTML template. So here, one of the things I want to fix quickly, I want to put to WordPress to lowercase. Okay, and here this is the offer, so you can put your name or the name of your agency. What you want. I'm gonna put Abo film. Okay, and here this is the tag, so you can so put the tags that match better to what you are doing. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Get rid of this. Okay, so that's it. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna copy the content of index in our HTML template. Copy all of these, Control C and Control V, and paste here in our index.php. Here in this file. Now we're gonna check the appearance of the site to see how it looks like. Okay, remember it was like this the last time, and we're gonna refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see, the page, the site is completely broken. Why it's completely broken? It's because we have to correct all the links, and we're gonna fix that in a moment. To fix that, we're gonna head back to our code editor. So before, let me show you something real quick. We're gonna click right, inspect element, and look at in the console. So when you are developing theme or developing website, it is a good idea to always check in the console. So as you can see, all the style sheet and scripts here are failed to load, and you see it says 404. That's been not found. Why it is not found? First of all, it is not in the same folder, and secondly, it is not the WordPress way to add script in the site. So we're gonna head back in our code editor. So we need to fix all of these in a WordPress way. For doing this, what we have to do, we have to create a file name function that PHP. So functions.php, it is one of the most important files to create. It acts like a plugin where you can add features, your custom functionalities, to make your team works, what you wanna, anything you wanna do. So you will do here in functions.php. Now, well, how did I know I have to use functions.php? And I'm gonna show you. Now I'm gonna show you how did I know I have to create those files. First of all, I'm gonna head to, so as you can see, the theme handbook, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can read. And we have created functions.php. Functions.php acts like a plugin. It's there you can add your custom functionalities to your team. And secondly, um, um, here you have to read. I'm gonna leave also this link to the description, template files, so you will know um, what template to create and how to add them. As you can see here, this is the template partials. Header and footer. So header and footer will be used in all the sites. So all the site we have the same header and the same footer. So here we see sidebar. So we are not going to use them. And here, as you can see, the common WordPress template files. So index, style.css, comment, front page. So here for our team that we are developing, so we have index that PHP, and so if we want, we could create front page at PHP. So if we want to use this template is for homepage only, and also you can so this is header.php single for blog, for single post, and it's here. So all you have to do is it's to read, and so how to practice, you're gonna understand things clearly. And I'm gonna leave the HTML template so that you can download and practice while I'm coding. I have showed you the documentation, and now we are going to enter these links properly in WordPress. This and this in a folder, and also fix all the image broken in the site. So as you can see, for example, this, we're gonna fix that I mean um, in a while. We created previously a file named functions.php. It's there. We're gonna add our custom style sheet and script. For that, we're gonna open PHP tags. Okay, we're gonna create a function, and we're gonna name it marshmallow function. Okay, and we're gonna add action. It's like this. You add the script inside, add action underscore. Okay, and here will be the name of your of the hook, wp underscore enqueue scripts with plural like this, and here will be the name of your function. And we're gonna add the first style sheet, this one. We're gonna name it material design icons, copy, and I'm gonna comment this to make sure that I have already insert this properly. WP enqueue, lowercase, WP enqueue. This is how you can enqueue style sheet, CSS. Handle, this is the name, source. Okay, so dependency, where we're gonna add the style sheet. Okay, so the handle, I mean the name will be icon, and this is there is a WordPress function get template directory UI. Okay, concatenate. Okay, slash, I mean assets. Why assets? It's because um all the file, remember we create a folder name assets, and we put all the HTML template. I mean right now, and the link, I mean I'm gonna copy the rest of the link. Okay, here, and there we are. Okay, so it's like this, and we're gonna do this for all, I mean all of these. And I'm going to make a second example, so I'm gonna speed up a little bit, but I want to make sure you understand what's going on. I mean the second will be, I mean carousel. Okay, I mean let's get back. I'm gonna copy, and we're gonna name it carousel. Okay, it's just simple as you see, and copy this vendor. As you can see, um, I have to copy only this part and comment. Okay, it is in the assets vendor, and I'm gonna copy the rest. So this is it, and I'm gonna do this for all. I mean, okay, I'm gonna do this for all of these. As you can see, we add properly all the style sheet, that mean all the CSS in functions.php properly. And here in the index.php, we comment all this out to make sure it was properly inserted in functions.php. Now, to make them appear in the head of the site, these style sheets, what we have to do, we have to add a piece of functions. Open PHP tag. We're gonna call W underscore head. Okay, why? If we not put this piece of code, all the style sheet will not appear in the site, and the site will be broke again. And remember, it has to be between the head tags, this piece of code. Okay, so now I'm gonna comment, style sheet, because right now I'm gonna add the scripts, and we're gonna add all these scripts the same way we add all the style sheet. To add a script, we're gonna use wp enqueue script. I mean, as you can see here, this is the handle, this is the source, this is the dependency. Why dependency? So you can say it depends of jQuery. Okay, the version if you want. The last one, you wanna specify if you wanna load the scripts in the footer. But generally, all the JavaScript file are loaded in the footer. Why? For performance reason. We're gonna insert the first JavaScript file, this file, and we're gonna name it bundle handle. This is the name of the script, bundle underscore JS. Okay, this is the source. We're gonna use the WordPress function get template directory UI. Okay, concatenate. slash assets. Why? As you can see, we put all the file of the HTML template in the assets folder and slash, and we're gonna add the rest of the script. I mean here. And after that, we have to comment this out to make sure we already included. Okay, and this is it. Here we have to put, dependency if it depends of jQuery. I'm gonna add jQuery and version false. Okay, we can remove it if we want, leave it, you're free. And here in footer, I'm gonna put it in footer, so I'm gonna say true for performance reason. Okay, and add a comma. And I'm gonna add the second script the same way. Okay, we're gonna do this for all of the script in the footer. The second one is OWL carousel. Okay, I'm gonna copy all of this and comment this out to make sure we already take it. Get back to functions.php, OWL carousel underscore JS, and we're gonna only change the rest of the path. Okay, let me let's see. Okay, it's okay. So we're gonna do this for all, for the rest of the script. At this point, as you can see, all the CSS and JavaScript files are inserted properly. Now we're gonna reload our page to see the appearance of our site. Let's reload it. Okay, boom. Now you see main thing change. So, and we check in the console so you can see, and we're gonna fix all of these so it's more easy to fix. So we have to give them the path and everything will be okay. So let's fix that. Now we're gonna head back to our code editor. Okay, and go back to index so we can get rid of this because we already insert all the scripts. And the same way we add this function of PHP, to be sure that all the style sheet will be loaded here. And we're gonna do the same thing for the footer, get rid of this because we already inserted in the theme function. And now before the closing tag of the body, we're gonna open PHP tag, lowercase, and we're gonna add WP underscore footer. So by doing this, we are sure that all the scripts, all the JavaScript files will be loaded here in the footer. Okay, so now what we're gonna do real quick, we have to fix all the link in the site. For example, image slash logo dot svg. So we're gonna use first of all, we're gonna open PHP tags and echo get template directory UI. Okay, to find the path of our theme folder, and here we don't need this. Okay, assets, because remember we put all the theme files in assets slash the rest. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for all of these. Okay, for all the broken image. For example, here we're gonna do the same thing. The process is pretty the same. Echo PHP, I mean not PHP, echo get template directory UI. Okay, concatenate assets slash the rest. Okay, so we're gonna do this for all the file in the theme. I mean all the broken image in the theme. Now we have just fixed all the broken links in outside. Now we're gonna check again outside to see how it looks. Let's reload. Let's flood the page. So here we are. This is outside. So as you can see, um, let me check. Okay, everything is good. Okay, okay. As you can see, works perfectly. Okay, so you can check in the console. So you can see, okay, we have only one error. Okay, so it's easy to fix. And okay, so let's see the appearance. Okay, okay. As you can see, everything is working properly as it was. Okay, everything. This is logo that is missing. So we can correct. We're gonna correct this in the next lesson. So I don't wanna do this video too long. And in the next video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate um um a file for header and a file for footer. And so thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment below and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Ciao.